Brats, it is giveaway day. We're giving away that Quest 2 comfort package with the head strap. We're doing so many giveaways, I can't remember what all's in this one. There's a head strap, there's a charging dock, there's a facial interface, and there's a replacement back pad comfort kit. So tons of stuff in this one. If you don't win this one, we've got a lot more accessories. We're gonna keep giving them all away as they come in. I've already got another head strap, a Bluetooth adapter, a couple other random things. So let's get this one going. I'm back to commentpicker.com. This is a decent site. It has ads, but it does filter by the word giveaway that I told you to put in there. It filters out any duplicate entries anybody's got in, so all the chances are fair. Everybody has the same chance. Let's pick out a winner. And away we go. Nova giveaway. Love you, brats. Thanks for dropping the stream last night. Nova, congratulations, bud. Nova's on our Discord. He's actually done some work to build us, help build the clubhouse and rec room and stuff. So it's awesome. Nova, you won quite a kit here, buddy. So I will contact you and make sure we get this out to you right away. To everyone else out there, hang out. We got tons more stuff to give away, and I will see you in another reality.